Hello colleagues, this is a short video that will outline how to complete Learning Activity 4.2, which is the Miro collaboration. So first of all, up above you will have read at least some information about two of your learning design patterns. Once you have enough information, you can proceed on to the Miro part, which is Learning Activity 4.2. There's text-based instructions here. I really want to focus and emphasize a challenge to you. Think beyond the technology you currently use. Okay? What new technology is listed in the information? What new technology are other people talking about? It may be new to you. Maybe it's not new to someone else. That's perfectly fine. Or it may be a new way of you using the technology. We call it a reappropriated technology, reappropriating a technology for a different purpose. And so those two things could be discussed in your Miro collaboration. To get there, to access it, click on this link here. And you'll see that there are 6 different learning patterns appear in there. It may be too small, so in the bottom right-hand corner, you can zoom in. You can also scroll up and down on your mouse or keyboard pad. Okay. You can also go left and right to read different things. When you are ready, what I'm asking you to do is to double-click on a brainstorm branch, type in something, put your initials at the end of this. So this would be the technology and a brief description, a brief title of the activity. And then you say a brief description of what they're doing. Click outside and it automatically saves. So you are done for one of the learning patterns. Please complete 2 of them. You might need to scroll down to collaboration, double click and start typing. Remember, if you make a mistake, just click Edit Undo. So Control Z or Command Z on a Mac. There's also an undo button down here on the Miro page. I hope this helps you understand Miro and be able to work within the brainstorm.